Okay, so basically, what I'm demonstrating is just that a few things. You'll notice that the save button is no longer here. I'll show you where that is in a second. You can see I've done that because it looks a little cleaner. I'm trying to reduce the amount of clutter. The other thing is that this used to say for preventions, it used to say add because then it opens up a pop-up window for now actually with the current development. So I removed the word add so that way we kind of streamline amongst the different languages. Another thing, we just don't have to interpret and stuff like that. So if we do that for a lot of the functions, like you've seen we've done up here, I've done here and stuff like that. So what I just want to show you is that okay, so now you're probably thinking, well, how if I enter in a value in here, do I save it? When you click automatically overrated because of the comment, it would expand. So I put it down here, which then it flows logically with the form as well because now it's at the end of the little form that's here. But you'll see a note here that says add to progress note. Before we were just pasting any measurement that you entered would be then pasted into the open note and within the encounter. I think that was a little bit obtrusive, like just adding maybe too much data or a whole bunch of unwanted data. So I've removed that from the health tracker. No longer does data paste into a note. And no longer does all the values paste into note. The user has to select that. So if you want this value to go back to the note, so let's see here, we'll do 145 over 30. We'll do here and we'll add a comment, or let's do this one for BP. And then let's just we'll add another one. We'll do diet. We'll add it to the progress note, but we won't add a comment. We can see what happens. So if I press save, or if you press save all, it'll save the measurements, and it'll bring us back to the spot we were, the last known spot. And then if we go to here, right now it doesn't reload it, but I'm going to work on that. And scroll back down, we'll notice that it just added the BP that we added with the comment, and then the other measurement it added with the date observed is with all of them with no comment, and so that's how it looks, and it spaces them out nicely. The cool thing about this is going to solve some of the issues that we're having with data ending up on someone else's chart. This won't do it because it's saving the note directly when you save the measurement. So when the group of measurements are being saved, or the single measurement, it's not using JavaScript to paste this note into another window. It's actually just saving directly to the data. It's building the note, so this format here, and then it saves and inserts it as its own record set within the note table. So in the one thing I just want to note, you'll notice here is circumcision. This is the measurement instruction. But that only shows for BP. I only did that for BP because there's multiple measurements for BP that people are using, and so that's why I'm showing sitting position, because then if they have a discrepancy like the standing stuff like that, this will show. But I turned it off for the rest of them because there's too many discrepancies in that value for the other measurements, and it was kind of a waste of space since some of it was useless. So for at the moment, until we work that out, it's just going to just be for blood pressure. And that's it.